Reinforcing both the deadbolt and the door latch together significantly reduces the chance of a forced entry by distributing resistance across multiple points. When you reinforce both the deadbolt and the latch, focus on how the door, frame, and fasteners work as a system. Replace the strike plates for both latch and deadbolt with heavy gauge steel plates that wrap into the frame and allow for 3 to 4 inch long screws into the stud behind the jamb. Use screws that are at least 3 inches long for the plate and 2.5 inches long for hinge reinforcement so the load transfers into structural framing rather than just the jamb. Consider a reinforced lock that mounts above the deadbolt to share force and prevent shear on a single fastener. Install it so its screws are aligned vertically with the deadbolt strike to create a continuous load path. If the door edge is thin or hollow core, use a steel edge reinforcement or full-length door edge plate to prevent the latch from pulling out and to give the strike plate a solid substrate. When adjusting latch and deadbolt, make sure both throw lengths are full engagement and that the strikes are mortised so the bolt meets wood, not gap. Then test by applying firm pressure to the door while operating the lock to confirm smooth engagement. For high-risk locations, use a longer throw deadbolt of at least 1 inch and pair it with a latch guard or wraparound plate so the latch cannot be pried. Always avoid relying only on short screws or plastic anchors. Common mistakes include using short screws that only bite into the jamb skin, which lets the frame fail under impact. Swap to 3-inch structural screws and ensure they reach the stud. People often install heavy strike plates on rotten or thin jambs which still fail. Remove compromised jamb material and either repair with a reinforced jamb kit or install a steel jamb insert. Another issue is poor alignment where bolts rub or only partially engage. Chisel or plane the strike mortise so the bolt seats fully and tighten all fasteners. Then cycle each lock 10 times to confirm consistent operation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches to door reinforcement so we can choose the right combination of plates, screws, and supplemental locks for our homes. We also connect contractors with project leads and host an active discussion community where we share installation tips, photos, and real-world experiences.